Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a chat shortcut in Messenger Web on your PC. This is a really handy feature, especially if you have certain conversations you want quick access to without having to open Messenger and search for them every time. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to *messenger.com. Log in with your Facebook account if you're not logged in already. Once you're in, find and open the chat that you want to create a shortcut for. It could be a one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or even a business chat, whatever works best for you. Just make sure the chat is open on your screen. Next, head up to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see the URL for that specific conversation. Click on the URL to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, click and drag the URL to your desktop, or anywhere on your screen where you want to save the shortcut. You'll notice that the link will turn into an icon, and that's the shortcut for your chat. Now, the shortcut is created. The next time you want to open that specific chat, all you need to do is click on the shortcut icon you just created. It will open directly to the chat, saving you time and hassle. Creating chat shortcuts is a great way to stay connected without wasting time navigating through Messenger to find your most important conversations. Plus, it's super easy to do, and it works for any chat you want quick access to. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like video button and subscribe for more tips on using Messenger and other social media tools more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.